Most people today see human rights as common sense, but it all started with the Christian biblical notion of Imago Dei, which means God's image in Latin, the belief that humans are created in the image of God and therefore have an intrinsic value. In antiquity, the notion that everyone was equal and bore the divine image was radical. Ancient societies were hierarchical. Individuals were valued according to their social class, gender, or role. Aristotle, for instance, said, "Some men are born to be slaves, others are born to rule over them." There was no universal sense of human equality. Today, this idea is often assumed to be self-evident, but it stems from centuries of theological reflection. Most modern secular people are unaware of how deeply this concept has shaped legal systems, ethics, and cultural values. For instance, the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, 1948, assumes universal human dignity, but it doesn't explicitly reference its roots in religious or theological traditions. Secular humanism borrows heavily from the framework of Imago Dei, which is ironic because in the materialist worldview, if we all came from animals, there's no inherent reason to view humans as having intrinsic worth. What is the risk of abandoning this concept? Without a transcendental grounding for human worth, ideas of dignity and rights become subjective or arbitrary. We would value people instrumentally rather than intrinsically. We'd value people only for their utility, productivity, or contribution to society.